Now, as you can see on your screen, I'm on Coinbase.com. This is one of the most reliable crypto exchanges. It is both a website, as you can see, and an app on your phone that you can easily download from the App Store on either Android or iOS. You can also use an app called Binance or Binance US if you live in the United States. The process is roughly the same for both apps, so I'm just going to go over the Coinbase aspect, like with the sign up and creating an account. And if you are interested in doing Binance, then it's roughly the same process overall. Now, first thing I want to get out of the way is throughout this whole process, you're going to need someone who is trusted over the age of 18. Basically, what you're going to be doing is creating an account using their information, but you are still going to be the controller and the manager of the account. But make sure you ask them in advance and make sure that they are completely fine with doing so, because again, you are using their information. Alright, so when you are on the screen, click on the sign up menu in the top right. Once that is loaded, click on individual account because you are going to be trading just by yourself. It's not like a business thing or anything like that. Click get started, and then you're going to be asked for first name, last name, email, and password. The first and last name, this is the key part. You are going to use that person who is over the age of 18. You are going to use all of their information for this, with the exclusion of the email, because this can be your email. So right here you can see that they ask for just some simple details about yourself, but the key component is that you need to use the first and last name of that person who is over the age of 18. And this is going to be crucial to the later steps of this process, because they're going to need to verify your identity. So if it's like your dad, for example, use their first and last name. Now for the email, use your email because you are going to be controlling the account once again. And for all email verification, it's just going to be easier for them to send it directly to you. And also for the password, that's your choice. Typically they give you a recommended password for that. Then certify that you are 18 years of age or older and agree to the user agreement, but we gotta agree that no one even reads that. So click on that and click create an account. Now Coinbase is probably gonna show a message that you can get $5 free in Bitcoin once you sign up and are verified. From that, just click continue, and then they're gonna send you an email verification to your email address for you to click on. They're basically just gonna send you a link to the next part of the sign up process. So once you click on that link that was sent to your email address, you're going to be sent to another screen that is basically just asking more questions. And in this, you're going to see that one of those questions is asking about your SSN or social security number. Again, this is going to be for the person who is over the age of 18. This is not going to be your information. It's probably also going to ask the state that you are from. Answer that truthfully, obviously. And for the other questions, it's not as important. Just answer them to the best of your ability, but make sure that SSN question is answered from the point of view of the 18-year-old that you asked to do this. From here, you're going to be sent to the Coinbase home screen through your own personal account, but you're not done yet because you still need to verify your information. And to do this, they're going to be asking for an ID of some sort. Best way to do it is probably the driver's license. And again, you'll be getting this from that person who is over the age of 18. From there, they're going to take probably a couple days to verify it. For me, it personally took just over 1 day. But on their thing, you'll see it says like 1 to 3 days. And once that's all said and done, and once you are fully verified, you're going to be able to trade any crypto that you would like and manage the whole account yourself. You'll also see that Coinbase is going to give you a free $5 in Bitcoin. That's just the deal that they have going on right now, simply just for signing up. But as an added bonus, if you click on the link in the description down below this video and sign up through it, both of us will get a free $10 in Bitcoin when you invest your first $100 into the account. So feel free to do that, but again, that's up to you. But don't click away just yet, because you'll see that Coinbase is also going to charge huge fees whenever you do deposit, buy, or sell cryptocurrency. So if you want to learn how to reduce those fees by over 500%, click on this video right here, because I'll go full in depth on how to do that, and I'll see you over there.